Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Jaden, your Houston real estate agent. And today I'm going to do a full tour of this beautiful model home behind me that's built by Western Homes. This home is over 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. I personally like the house. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Let me know if you can see yourself living here. While that being said, let's take another tour.